What's up, YouTube? It's Joel Too Cool. Just going to do a review on a Chemical Guys product, their leather cleaner and their leather conditioner. I've already done the dashboard. This has been on there for about 3 months now. You can kind of see where it breaks apart right there. That's where the stopping mark was. So you can see the shine that the leather conditioner actually gives to it. Very shiny and reflective. It's a bright shine, which I'm not the biggest fan of because it does reflect off the glass pretty bad. But we're gonna go in and show you how to use these products on some of the rest of the leather in here, and that way you can condition and clean your leather at home. Alright, so here's the products that we're going to be using. It'll be leather cleaner from Chemical Guys. You want to make sure the leather is clean before putting a conditioner on. Same thing with like the paint of your vehicle. You want to make sure it's clean before you wax it. Same concept. The leather conditioner, what that's going to do is that's going to prevent cracking and fading of the leather itself. So it's a good thing to have because the sun does a lot of damage to it, especially on the dashboards. If needed, a Chemical Guys leather brush. We're going to use the microfiber applicator pad from Chemical Guys, Chemical Guys Workhorse towel, and Eagle Edgeless. It's a towel by the Rag Company. It's a very plush towel. Alright, so we're going to work on the dash here. Alright, so we'll start off with the leather cleaner from Chemical Guys. Typically you'd want to use a brush if it was something like under chairs, but this vehicle is not very dirty, so I'm just going to use a microfiber towel. Just spray it onto the towel. Clean it off. Take the other side of the towel and just wipe it off. So now we have a clean surface to work with. So I'm going to take an applicator pad from Chemical Guys. These things, very useful, but I used this once, washed this once, it fell apart already, so they're not very durable. But we're going to use it anyway because it makes things easier. I'll only do the left half, that way we can see what it looks like just cleaned and what it looks like conditioned. So you're just going to put a little bit on your applicator pad. For the small amount that we're doing here, that's probably more than enough. And then just work it in. So we'll let that sit for a minute. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Eagle Edgeless. It's from the Rag Company. By the way, if you're new to this channel, I'll have links to all the products used in my videos in the description below. But we're just going to take this plush towel now and we're going to buff off any of the excess. And you can see the difference. You can see right here in the middle here is the line between the two. The leather conditioned side versus just a cleaned side. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. This is Joel Too Cool. Thanks for watching.